Hello, Yuna. Good noon. And welcome back to the class. How are you today, Yuna? Hello?
I'm good.
Okay, that's nice to hear, Yuna, that you are feeling good. And what did you do today? Hmm. What did you do today, Yuna?
I practice quadrobics.
Okay, you practice your?
Quadrobics.
Okay. Now, you know, we are going to have a new topic, but let us remember first what we had yesterday. Yesterday, we had the articles, uh, and some. Okay, and some activities about it. Now, let me share my screen as we continue with our lesson. Have you eaten, Yuna?
Sigang na ito.
Oh, your favorite. The sinigang na hipon. Okay. Now, our topic, Yuna, is all about adverbs of frequency. Okay? So, adverbs of frequency, we use the adverbs of frequency, Yuna, to tell someone how often something happens. So, here you can see if it's always, then that is 100%. Never, that means 0%. Okay? So here we have the percentage for each adverb. Okay? Can you read all the adverbs, please?
Always. Usually. Regularly. Normally. Generally. Often. Frequently.
Yes.
Sometimes. Occasionally. Seldom. Rarely. Hardly ever.
And
Never.
okay. So when you say 100%, then you do it always. Let's say every day, every second, every minute. So that's always. But when you say never, automatically, you don't do that. Okay, let's start. Let's say habit. Okay, watching TV. I always watch TV. So maybe you mean is every day, right? You always watch TV every day. Next, the next one is never. I never watch TV. Therefore, you never watch TV. Okay? And of course, we also have some adverbs here. So like usually, normally, often, sometimes, occasionally, seldom, rarely, and hardly ever. Now, here, the position of the adverb of frequency in a sentence. Okay, let me make it bigger for you to see. So the adverbs of frequency go, okay, before a main verb. Okay? So it should be like this, Yuna. First, you have your subject, and then your adverb, and then main verb, or it could also be like this: subject, an auxiliary verb, and then your adverb and your main verb. Okay, don't worry, we have some example sentences here. Can you read the sentences, please?
We never work on Sundays.
Okay, for this sentence, we is the subject, okay? Never is the adverb. Work is your main verb. Okay, so it should be like that. That is the position of your adverbs of frequency in a sentence. How about in the next example?
They usually play volleyball on Thursdays.
Okay, another example.
I always get up at 7 during the week.
Very good, Yuna. But how about if we use an auxiliary verb? Can you read this one, please?
He can usually visit us on Sundays.
Okay, so here our subject is he, the pronoun he. Can is the auxiliary verb, usually is the adverb, and visit is our main verb in the sentence. Okay? Another one with auxiliary verb. Can you read the sentence, please?
We have we have often got some homework.
Yes. Okay. We is the subject. Have is our auxiliary verb. Adverb is often, and our main verb is got. Okay, so that's it when you use our adverb of frequency in a sentence. Okay, but the adverbs of frequency go after a form of to be. So form of to be we have am, is, are, or etc. Okay, so it after. Earlier we talked about before, right? Before the main verb. But for form of to be, it should be after. So the position will be subject first, and then your to be, and then adverb. Example, can you read please?
They are always busy.
Another one.
She was often late.
Yes. So here we have a form of to be, are and was. Okay. So here in this one, it's our main verb, the form of to be. Next. Okay, we're not done yet. So we can also use the following adverbs, Yuna, at the beginning of the sentence. Earlier, what we have is subject first, right? Subject first, subject first. But these adverbs can also be at the beginning of a sentence. Like, for example, usually, normally, often, frequently, sometimes, or occasionally. Here is an example sentence. Can you read, Yuna? Are you okay?
Some, sometimes I go shopping on Sundays.
Saturdays. Saturdays. Okay, so sometimes I go shopping on Saturdays. Do you also go shopping on Saturdays, Yuna? Yes, you do. Okay. Now let us continue finally with your worksheets. Okay, wait, I'll just make it. So for the first one, adverbs of frequency one, here, put the following sentences into correct order. Okay, so remember the positioning of your adverbs of frequency. Let us begin with number one. Wait, I'm also going to make it bigger for you to see. Okay, let's have number one, Yuna. What is the correct order of the sentence?
They usually use public transport.
Okay. They usually use public transport. That is correct. Okay. Number two, Yuna.
We often go to the theater.
We often go to the theater or theater. Yes. Do you like going to the cinema? Yes. When was the last time you've been to the cinema, Yuna? Can you still remember? And what did you watch? You don't remember?
Little Mermaid.
What?
I don't remember when we watched it, but I remember we watched Little Mermaid.
Little Mermaid. Oh, that's a long time ago. Oh, okay. You didn't watch Inside Out too? No, you didn't. Okay, so you watch Little Mermaid. Anyway, number two is correct. We often go to the theater. Number three, what's the correct order?
He seldom has fish for dinner.
Okay. He seldom has fish for dinner. That is correct. Number four, Yuna.
My parents frequently read the papers.
Okay, my parents frequently read the papers is correct. So, of course, you have here your subject. Okay, my parents is the subject. Read, okay, is our main verb. Okay, frequently read. Frequently is our adverb of frequency. And that is correct for number four. Let us now proceed, Yuna, to number five. Okay, you arrange the sentence.
Sometimes, sometimes I can play football at the weekends.
Okay, sometimes I play football at the weekend. Okay, so in this sentence, we will begin with a subject. Okay, subject, I, and then your adverb of frequency, sometimes, and then the main verb play. I sometimes play football at the weekend. Okay, so I sometimes play football at the weekend. Mhm. Let us proceed now. It's okay. Let's proceed now to number six.
She washes her hands before meals.
Mhm. She, can you say it again?
She always washes her hands before meals.
Very good. Do you wash your hands before meals? Hmm. Okay. But that's okay if you use spoon and fork, right? Okay. But for hipon, sinigang na hipon, you really have to wash your hands because you're going to use your hands to open the hipon. Okay.
I don't eat
Oh,
hipon.
you don't eat hipon?
I don't know how to.
Oh, you don't know how to open it, but you eat hipon, right? Because hipon is your favorite, right? The sinigang na hipon. Yes. Okay. So who opens your hipon?
No one. I just eat the sabaw.
Oh, just the sabaw only. Oh no. Okay. But are you full? Yes. Yes. Okay, good. Let's continue with number seven.
Mary is never late for work.
Very good. So here we have a form to be. Okay, form of to be is. So Mary is never late for work. Correct. Number 8.
My sister frequently watches TV in the evenings.
Okay, my sister frequently watches TV in the evenings. That is correct. Number 9, Yuna.
They they hardly go shopping on Monday.
Okay. On, you still have your article. On a Monday afternoon. Okay, so they hardly ever go shopping on a Monday afternoon. Okay, so that's it for number 9, Nina. How about in number 10?
Sometimes the alarm
Remember
rings
what we
before
had earlier?
up.
Subject first. I,
I sometimes wake up before the alarm rings.
very good. Okay, so I sometimes wake up before the alarm rings. Do you have an alarm?
I
No.
set up on an alarm on my iPad.
Okay. And do you wake up when your alarm rings?
Sometimes I don't wake up.
Okay. So that's it. I sometimes wake up before the alarm rings. How about, okay, we're not done yet. We still have number 11. Number 11, what do you think is the correct order of the sentence? Number 11,
Workers,
our subject is the workers. Okay.
workers, mm,
The workers
the workers are usually on time at work.
very good. Are usually on time at work. Okay. So the workers are usually on time at work. So you have with you your subject, the workers, adverbs of frequency, usually. Okay. Work as our main verb. We also have here um our form of to be. Next, let's proceed to number 11. How about in number 11, Yuna?
She always brushes her teeth before going to bed.
Okay, that is correct. She always brushes her teeth before going to bed. Do you brush your teeth before going to bed, Yuna? Is it always? How often? Okay. Do you always brush your teeth before going to bed? Yes. I think it's a yes. Okay. Why are you smiling? Is it a no? It's not always. Okay, Yuna. How about in number 13, Yuna? Can you arrange the sentence, please?
We seldom
We seldom
go out to see
to
a
see,
concert.
to see a concert. Very good. Okay. Have you been to a concert, Yuna? No. But do you want to go to a concert? No. Okay. So you're not into music. Mhm. Okay. Oh, yeah, I remember because you're more into arts and crafts. Let us proceed, Yuna, to number 14. How about here?
They occasionally have lunch in a restaurant.
They occasionally have lunch in a restaurant is correct. And then for the last one in this worksheet, number 1, can you arrange the sentence, please?
My dad, my dad, my dad usually wakes up first.
Okay. What is it? My dad.
Usually wakes up first.
Hmm? Okay. This one, the sentence is very long, right? There's a lot of things happening. So what happened here is my dad, our subject, usually, that's right, our adverbs of frequency, has a cup of tea when he first wakes up. Okay? So again, our sentence, my dad usually has a cup of tea when he first wakes up. And that is our sentence for number 15. Okay? So, in the next one, be okay. That's it for our adverbs of frequency. Okay? We only have one worksheet. Since we still have 4 minutes left, let us talk about our next topic. Supposedly, this one is for tomorrow, but we still have a so present tense simple. Okay, so for the present tense simple, that's the way to express habits, facts, thoughts, and feelings. It is used with a general statement and action that happens sometimes, always, usually, or never. So here, we're still going to use our adverbs of frequency for present tense simple topic. Okay, so all adverbs of frequency, remember what we had earlier. Okay, we're going to use that here. Example, we have before that we also have every day, every month, whenever, on Mondays or on Tuesdays. Okay, we're also going to use that. Now we have, remember that the tenses are past, meaning they already happened in the past. We have present, what's happening in the present, and we also have future tenses. Okay? Now how to form your tense sim present tense simple. Okay, how to form. So again, there are three forms: the positive form, negation, and question. Okay. In the positive form, we are going to use the pronouns, okay, personal pronouns I, you, we, and they. For example, can you read the example, Yuna?
They go to school. I like oranges. We hate peppermint.
Yes. Do you like oranges? Hmm. What's your favorite fruit, Yuna? What's your favorite fruit?
Grape.
Grapes? Yes. Okay. So they go to school. So this one is in present tense simple. I like oranges. We hate peppermint. Now, how about in negation or in negative form? So you simply use don't or do not plus your verb. Okay? So for example, they don't go. So don't, and then your verb is go. They don't go to school. I don't like oranges. We don't hate peppermint. Okay, so how that is how you form a negative sentence for present tense simple. For the question and more examples, we are going to have it by tomorrow as well as for the worksheet. Aside from that, here we have notes to remember as well. Okay? So after our topic about the present tense simple, we will have a worksheet. But since it's already time, Yuna, that would be all, and I'll see you again by tomorrow. Thank you so much, Yuna, and bye. Bye bye, Yuna.